Blast off! This is the email that you receive for how to get the files that are in your folder on our server at NAU. So I get this and I see that there's a link, so I'm going to click on it, and for some reason on my computer I have to do Control click to do what my computer wants to do when I click on a link, because my default, as you can see, what's flashing down here is Chrome. Reading further, I see it says open this link in Internet Explorer. So my default in Chrome isn't going to work. So what I have to do is I go to my Start button and I find in my Programs Internet Explorer. I just click on that to not open previously open pages but open a new blank Internet Explorer. Then I go back into the email and I'm going to copy this, right click and copy into the address bar in Internet Explorer. I'm going to do Control V to paste, enter, and now it asks for a username and password. So I go back to my email and I see the username is AIAQTP and the password is AIAQTPQA. So going back to my Internet Explorer, AIAQTP, AIAQTP underscore QA, log on. Oh, look at this. Here's something really strange looking, but it looks like there's a folder, Tribal Data Toolbox underscore version 2.1. Well, if I click on it, it's going to try to open it. It's going to try to do weird things. Let me check back with the email, and it says, to copy an entire folder, you will follow the directions to view this FTP site in File Explorer. So I have to press Alt and then click View and then Open in File Explorer. Okay, going back to this, I press Alt, and when I press Alt, you see this new toolbar opens up, View, and Open FTP Site in File Explorer. And then I wait a minute, it asks for the username and password again, AIAQTP underscore QA, log on, and now it looks just like a folder on my computer. So what I can do is select it, right click, say copy, and I'm going to just copy it to my desktop. So I'm going to minimize everything and right click and say paste. And it's a pretty big file, and it takes a while to paste it to my computer, but it's working. And this is the first step and the most difficult step for how to download the toolbox. And what we're going to do in the course is we are going to be giving you, let me find it again, we are going to be giving you files and perhaps folders in your folder that's on our server at NAU. So as you go through the course, you're going to be creating files that are large, and if we provide any other assistance to you, we can exchange large files this way by putting them in a folder with your name on the NAU server. You could see that it still takes a while to copy, but in any case, this is the first step of installing the Tribal Data Toolbox. And it's copying, so that's good. It says after that, email me back and I'll email you step 2. So as soon as this is finished copying, I'm going to do that.